Hey y'all, it's Troy here at the Lady and Sons. This time of the year is peach season in Georgia. So end of May, early June, right whenever we start producing all of our peaches. You can get them fresh. But one thing about restaurants, especially like us, we like to have consistency. So we use a peach puree. We make it in-house here. We've also bought one in the past. It's really, really up to you. You can use peach daiquiri mix you can buy at the grocery store to make drinks just like this if you want. So we're going to make this Georgia peach martini for you. It's a super simple drink. And here we use stemless martini glasses because our restaurant has 3 levels of service. So 4 floors you'll have to run up and down at times with drinks. And we found that having the tall stemmed wine glasses, martini glasses can be very, very cumbersome. So we found these and we fell in love. This one here we keep in the freezer, so it's definitely chilled, but you know, sometimes you're at home and you realize you just want a martini. So I'm going to show you how to chill it super quick. I've always found that soda water does it quicker, but you can just use regular tap water, anything you want. Cold water, of course, is going to chill it a lot faster. But if you let it sit for about 5 minutes, this glass is going to hold your drink a lot longer. But it's just that simple. And then once it's done, you know, you just want to turn it upside down for a little bit, let it drip in the sink. And then, I mean, that's already chilled enough. You can see it on the outside. So for this drink, we're going to use a shaker tin. Fill it with ice. Then we're going to take 1.5 ounces of vodka, Tito's, one of my favorites, so that's what we're going to use. All right, then we have peach schnapps. And then we have our peach puree.
How do you make peach puree?
So what we do here in the restaurant is we take canned peaches and we use the Ninja. And we just blend it until it comes out smooth. You can do it with fresh peaches. You want to cook them just a little bit so they're softer. But it's just that simple. Or you can just buy it from the grocery store. I feel that canned peaches, fresh or frozen peaches, have a less artificial flavor to them. So we're just going to take our drink. We're going to shake this. So you want ice crystals to form on the outside just so this drink stays colder for longer. I mean, you can get super, super flary and shake it around, all that good stuff. I'm trying not to make a mess every day, so. And you can see them starting to form. Reminds me of the shake weight. So, take this. Pour it into our glass. And you can do a lot of garnish with this. You can put a piece of mint in there. You can put a fresh peach, whatever you want. Or you can just drink the drink, right? That's good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.